Hello friends, today we will discuss Mukhyamantri Sarthi Yojana of Jharkhand. It is very important for all the competitive exams of Jharkhand and Central also. Jharkhand, an impactful state, as we know, this initiative is designed to empower youth through skill development and employment opportunities. It is launched by Chief Minister Hemant Soren on July 15, 2023, coinciding with World Youth Skills Day. The Mukhyamantri Sarthi Yojana uses the Jharkhand Skill Development Mission Society, that is known as JSDMS, to provide free vocational training to unemployed youth across Jharkhand. The program forms part of a broader skill development drive which includes sub-schemes. It has some sub-schemes also, which includes Saksham Jharkhand, Kaushal Vikas Yojana, SG Deen Dayal Upadhyay Kaushal Kendra, DD Birsa, that is Block Label Institute for Rural Skill Acquisition. Excel employability excellence with college education and learning. Training and structure. Training is given both residential and non-residential, offering flexibility depending on the candidate's preference. Courses offered are here. Skill program in sectors such as healthcare, IT, electronics, apparel, beauty and wellness, automotive, plumbing, construction, and trade like sewing, tailoring, carpentry, etc. Training duration is approximately 300 hours or 3 months for shorter courses and up to 576 hours or 6 months for more intensive residential programs. Its coverage goal is initially rolled out in 80 blocks with Birsa centers, aiming to expand across all 264 blocks over 3 years. Its eligibility criteria must be a permanent resident of Jharkhand. Candidates who belong to Jharkhand are eligible for this. Age group 18 to 35 years for general category, up to 50 years for reserved categories SC, ST, OBC. Birsa scheme. Minimum education at least past the 5th standard. Some sections mention 10th pass for competitive training streams. Documents required are Aadhaar card, proof of residence and age, educational certificates, photo, possibly income certificate and contact details. Benefits: financial support during training, travel allowance, non-residential trainings. Trainees receive 1,000 per month. Post-training incentives: if trainees do not secure a job within 3 months, general youth will get rupees 1,000 per month as unemployment allowance. Women and persons with disabilities will get 1,500 rupees per month, provided for up to 1 year post training. Additional support: beneficiaries may access low interest loans under the schemes like PMEGP to start their ventures. Scale and outreach: the scheme targets training 2 lakh youth over 3 years with a combined investment of approximately rupees 2,263 crore. Financial year 2023-24, the estimate is rupees 661.2 crore. For financial year 2024-25, it is 764.4 crore. For financial year 2025-26, it is 838.12 crore. Training centers operate across all 24 districts, providing services even in remote blocks. Local impact: for example, in Giridih, over 500 unemployed youth of 18 to 35 years and persons with disabilities received free training and skills like sewing and nursing. After completion, sewing machines were distributed under the scheme to support self-employment. So we can summarize that It was launched in 15 July 2023, implementing agency Jharkhand Skill Development Mission. Training formats are residential and non-residential in multiple vocational trades. Target age is 18 to 35 years. Reserved categories up to 50 years. Education required at least 5th pass. Some programs require 10th degree. Stipends is rupees 1,000 per month during training, rupees 1,000 to 1,500 per month post-training allowance, additional support, travel allowance, access to subsidized loans, job placement. Assistance scale aims to train 2 lakh youth over 3 years across all blocks and districts.